make a typical Japanese umbrella.
使い手の手元に行って何らかの要素が加わることによって完成を迎える。
My technique learned my father.
Just now, the Orin.
This one is cherry blossom.
This is round knife.
So the craft, the craftsman studio all over the world, we can respect each other. Then we could start, also collaborate and create something new value.
This plate is the pattern of it is the octagon.
So it looks like a kind of sticks, and it's open and closed like this way.
And it's called rinne.
So Meisterstrasse is a kind of platform where the people can find out all kinds of the craft technique, the creation of the human. We are planning. So when you come to Japan after the COVID, so we try to introduce our craft studio. Not only for us, we are more than that. So thank you so much for the watching, and I pass it to the organizer. Thank you very much. ありがとうございました。